So what's your name and what are you building here?
My name is Roman Nowakiewski, and we're building our aging in place home.
It looks beautiful. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it's a project that's been taking a long time because of COVID. We've had shortages on materials, we had price increases, so budgets blew up, but we're getting near the end. We should be finished in September.
Have you built a custom home on your own before?
Yes, through HomeWrights.
Through HomeWrights?
This is our second home that we've built with HomeWrights.
And you're using the owner-builder program?
Yes.
So tell me how that works. If somebody doesn't understand what that is, what does it mean to you?
Well, the consultant from HomeWrights helps us dodge all the bombs that might be going off that you didn't know about, and they try to lead you the way that you need to, as far as inspections, as far as what stage you're at and what stage you need to be. And so they answer our questions.
So they keep you out of trouble and keep things moving.
Yep.
So what's the big benefit? I mean, obviously that's a big benefit. What are some of the other benefits of using the owner builder program?
I think the big benefit is that as an owner, you're involved with every step that you need to do, and you know about it, and you know whether it's been done the way you wanted it done, or sometimes it doesn't get done, and you just have to shrug it off.
But you know.
But
that's
you
the
know
important
about
thing.
it. That's the thing, that you know about it. And there's a lot of problems that come up every week, every day, that you need to solve.
Of course, by nature, it's a custom home, never been done before. So.
That's correct.
And how do you deal with those problems and issues?
Well, the first thing is to try to find a solution, and the contractor that you're working with is your best bet to find your solution. And you have to, the communication with the contractors is very important, because what you told them that you want is what they're going to do. And if you didn't tell them something that they need to do, it's going to take a little more time and get it done.
Sure. Somebody said you know what the quality is, you know what's in those walls, that's important.
Yeah.
What about money? Does this save you money doing the owner-builder approach?
Yes, we've built 6 homes, but 2 of them have been where we were the contractors, contracting with the subcontractors, and HomeWrights helps you do all that. The contracts, with each contractor, you sign a contract, and you write them. And now I'm very good at writing them because I've written about 30 of them. But you learn how to do these things, and HomeWrights guides you along the way.
And by being your own contractor, you're avoiding some markup of the traditional building approach, right?
Correct. The markup, we estimate that we're probably spending about $750,000 on the house, and we probably would have spent about $850 to $900 if we used a builder.
So $100,000 to $200,000 in savings is possible.
It is.
In a house like this.
Yep.
Wow. So what advice would you have for somebody who's thinking about becoming their own owner builder?
You have to have time on your hands because this takes a lot of time, and you're at the site. We've been here 2, 3, 4 times a day throughout the construction.
But
many days we're here the whole day.
At the end of the day, what are you going to have?
You're going to have what you wanted to build.
Exactly.
And that's exactly what we built. What we wanted to build for our old age. We wanted an elevator in the house. So this has an elevator.
Sure.
We wanted to have great views. This has very nice views. So we put that all together and designed the house.
So you have beautiful decks, you have 3 levels, you have an elevator, totally accessible anywhere, everywhere.
Yep.
This is a great place to age in place, right?
That's our plan.
How does it help if HomeWrights is on your team?
Well, they'll answer the questions that you didn't know about that come up every day. They help you find the solutions, and they set you up with a program that you know what you need to do next. And you just follow that program.
What type of person would be most successful doing this?
A very detail-oriented person. And I have one. My wife helps me with that.
Yeah.
And there's a sheet that she has that has every penny that we've spent on the house, the date, what it's for, and so on. And it all adds up. She has a spreadsheet on it, and it keeps adding it up. And we have the total of the cost. And each one of those entries, and there's probably about 300 and some entries, maybe 400. Each one of those entries is, I had to go find it, I had to go buy it, I had to deliver it, I had to get it into the house. So you're involved with just about everything.
Yeah, yeah. But sounds like you're enjoying it.
Well, I wouldn't call it enjoying it. I would call it more like I'm happy with the finished product.
Yeah. You see the end in sight.
The light at the end of the tunnel, yep.